Today, let's make something really simple. One of those desserts you make when you just want something warm and sweet at the end of the day. Or maybe you had your grandkids stop in and you're looking for a little treat to serve everyone. This quick cherry cobbler is perfect. Nothing fancy, just a few pantry staples, some pre-made cherry pie filling, and about 5 minutes of prep time. Okay, I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Next, I'm going to pour in 2 cans of cherry pie filling, or if cherry isn't your thing, you could do blueberry, apple, or peach. Pour those into a nice sized casserole dish. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, mix up 1 yellow cake mix, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup walnuts. These are optional, but I think they really make this dessert. Mix this well until it all comes together. Then we're going to sprinkle it over the pie filling. Don't mix it in, just let it rest on top. Bake this at 350 degrees for about 32 minutes, depending on your oven. This cobbler is amazing served on its own, but we like to serve it over a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's a nice dessert to sit down with, slow down, and enjoy together. I love to serve this in these little dessert cups. They were my mom's. They always take me back to the days when she would surprise us with a sweet treat after a delicious meal. It was always so unexpected, yet made us all so happy. If you give this a try, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. See you next time.